A few weeks ago, I published a video about the best platforms to invest in crowdlending based on objective data and certain parameters. In this video, I am going to talk about which are for me the best platforms, my favorite platforms to invest today. Here, there is no objective data, only my opinion, and I will tell you why these platforms are my favorite to invest today in several different categories. We will talk about my favorites to invest in personal loans, business loans, and real estate loans, and I will also talk about my favorite platform for savings plans today. But before we start, I would like to invite you to the Telegram channel where you can share experiences and opinions with other investors, and I would also like to invite you to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss more interesting videos about crowdlending. Now let's go for it. Today, my favorite platform for investing in P2P loans, consumer loans, personal loans is BuyInvest, and it is for several reasons. In BuyInvest, we are going to find loans that offer us a profitability between 12 and 13%. All their loans have a 12% or 13% profitability, which is a quite high profitability in the market today. Also, this platform is a regulated platform that is regulated in Latvia, and it has never had any problems with payouts and recovery. There have never been any payouts and recovery within this platform. It has always delivered on promises to investors and on payouts to investors. And another reason why I also like this platform to invest today is that there is no cash drag. In this platform, the money that is available is always reinvested, and nowadays I make contributions on a monthly basis, and as new money arrives to the platform, it is automatically invested. At most, it takes a day. Yes, it is possible that at some point we will not see loans in the list to invest manually, but that does not mean that auto invest does not work. I always have auto invest configured to be on. I never invest manually, and it invests very fast. If you want to know many more details of why the platform BuyInvest is my favorite platform to invest in the 2024, I recommend you watch the video where I talk about this platform exclusively, and I leave the link above and below in the description. And if you want to start investing in the platform BuyInvest, they have a welcome bonus for new investors of 1% if you register at the link that I will leave below in the description. Another alternative platform also to invest in personal loans, and which is also my favorite and of many of you, of many investors, is Peerberry. On this platform, we will be able to invest in very short-term loans from only 1 month, but of course we also have longer-term loans. And here the yield is a little lower than what we are going to get on BuyInvest, because although there are some loans that can offer us 12%, it is very difficult to invest in these types of loans because they are in high demand. It is usual that we get a return of around 10%. If you want to see the performance that I get every month both in Peerberry as in any other platform, subscribe to the channel because I publish a monthly video with the update of my portfolio and the performance platform by platform. In Peerberry, in the last year, we have seen quite a lot of cash drag. That is money that takes time to invest. It ends up investing, but it takes time to invest. Lately, in the last few weeks, this is much better, and I have practically all the money invested at all times. Something that we must take into account in Peerberry is that unlike most of the platforms, what they do is to allocate all the loans to invest in automatic strategies. Here in Peerberry, they are going to allocate some loans to invest manually. So if our auto invest is not investing, if our money is not all invested, we could go every day in the morning and invest manually. If you want to start investing in Peerberry, they also offer a welcome bonus for new investors. If you register in the link that I will leave below in the description, you will get a bonus of 0.5% of everything you invest during the first 90 days. And to invest in real estate loans, my favorite today is Fintown. Fintown offers us the possibility to invest in vacation rental loans. We are going to invest in loans from Bihorev Group, and these loans serve to finance their rental housing business, some for vacation and some for longer-term housing in Prague. And here we are going to find two different types of loans. Some loans that are for homes that are already rented, then we are going to receive the interest on a monthly basis, and others in which we are going to be able to invest in projects that are under development, and there we will receive the interest when that development is completed and when it is put up for rent. What I really like about this platform is that we will be able to invest in different terms depending on the type of loan we are going to invest in. Even on some occasions, we will be able to invest in the same project in different terms, and also, of course, it offers us different interest rates. We will be able to find investment opportunities from 8% to 15%. And, for example, the one of 8% is a very interesting investment opportunity. They call it Flexis projects. And what it consists of is that after a month that we maintain that investment, we will be able to withdraw the money as soon as we want, when we want it, with which we will be generating 8% of interest annually, paid monthly, but we will be able to withdraw the money at any moment. And this is very attractive, especially if we want to invest in the short term. I left a link in the description, above and below, if you want to learn more about FinTown, and also in the description you will find a welcome bonus. If you want to invest in FinTown, you will get 2% of your first investment if you register at the link I left in the description. Another real estate platform also very interesting to invest today is Crowdpeer. Crowdpeer is the same group as Peerberry and the same team that manages Peerberry and manages Crowdpeer as well. Here we will be able to invest in loans projects in Lithuania. Most of these projects pay interest on a quarterly basis, but it depends a little on each of the projects. Some are paid at the end of the project. Most of the projects here have a term of 12 months, although we can find some shorter term and some also longer term, and the profitability that we are going to obtain is between 10 and 12%. Something that we must also keep in mind is that Crowdpeer is regulated. It has the regulation of crowdfunding platform with European regulation. If you want to start investing in Crowdpeer, it also has a welcome bonus of 0.5% if you register at the link that I will leave below in the description. And to invest in business loans, my favorite platform to invest in today is Debitum. In Debitum, we are going to find loans to companies, and all these loans have a guarantee, a collateral, plus they offer us a buyback guarantee. Debitum is a platform that is also regulated in Latvia, and in it we are going to find different originators. There is also an originator that belongs to the platform, but it works more like a marketplace, where there are different loan originators, and here we are going to find loans with monthly interest, and also some loans that offer us daily interest, which is very interesting, because this way we are accumulating compound interest faster. And as for the profitability, although there are some loans that are going to offer us a little lower profitability of a little less than 10% or 9%, most of them exceed 10%, and we are going to find loans that go even in some occasions up to 15%, so it is possible to obtain a very good profitability within Debitum. And if you want to start investing in Debitum, they also have a welcome bonus of 1% if you register in the link that I will leave below in the description. And another platform also interesting to invest today in business loans is Maclair. Maclair is a new platform in the market, and like many other new platforms in the market, they offer us a higher profitability. They do this to attract new investors. A higher profitability that is also in the form of bonuses. They offer us different bonuses when we start investing or when we invest a certain amount. This platform is regulated in Switzerland. It is a platform that is still small, and the profitability that it offers us is around 13 and 16%. And as I said, they have many welcome bonuses, and the bonus for new investors, if you register in the link that I will leave in the description, is 1.5% of what you invest during the first 90 days. And finally, we are going to comment on a platform that is not Crowdlending. It is a platform that offers us the possibility of investing in savings plans, but savings plans which offer us a high profitability with a lower risk, because here we are not investing. It is a savings plan. This is Freedom24. Freedom24 is an online broker, which in addition to being able to invest in the stock market and in ETFs and in many other types of investments that the platform offers us, it also offers us these savings plans. I really like this platform for investing today because it offers me many possibilities within the platform. I am going to receive interest on the money I have in the account, which is an account where I can store my money until I decide to invest it in the stock market, and there it is generating me today around 4%. This is a variable interest, so it can vary over time, but then we have longer term plans that have a fixed interest rate. We are going to have 3-month, 6-month, 12-month plans, so as you can see there are several options depending on when we want to withdraw the money, and right now I am investing in 12-month plans because they offer me a good profitability today, and this profitability is going to be offered to me during those 12 months. Taking into account that it is very possible that the global interest rates are going to decrease, it is in my interest to block during those 12 months that high profitability. Also, something very interesting is that we can invest in euros and in dollars. When we invest in dollars, we will get a higher profitability than when we invest in euros. And these are my favorite platforms to invest today. Tell me below in comments what are your favorite platforms to invest. Also, if you have any doubts or any questions, I respond to all comments. Also, I would like to invite you to the Telegram channel where you can share experiences and opinions with other investors. And if you like the video, give me like thumbs up. It makes me happy and you help to grow the channel. And before you go, subscribe to this channel so you do not miss more interesting videos about investments. See you soon.